Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Mazda 5. Stock number is A7355. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Hankook tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have second row bucket and third row bench seating. Plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around the back end. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.